Hello, you welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you want to deactivate who can create stickers with your videos on TikTok? Then don't forget to like this video. The first step after opening your TikTok mobile app, you proceed and you click on the three lines as indicated in this video. The second option, you click on settings and privacy. The next option is for you to click on privacy. You now proceed, you scroll down, you click on stickers. You see an option who can create stickers with your videos. The default selection is everyone. So if you want to deactivate or stop people from creating stickers with your videos, you now click on only me. You've succeeded in deactivating users from using your videos to create stickers on TikTok. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.